nice getting dull. What's in here?
Starter. Tail light. Oh, this is gonna be cool. What year?
Did I hit it?
No.
Well, what do I buy in taillights?
It's gotta be an older bike.
You don't think I like new bikes?
Nope. You hate them. Everybody knows that.
Not everybody. I think it's glued together or taped together. That's all tape. Over here.
Coconut water.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Nutritious, whatever it is. That is some cheap ass China cardboard, what that is. Packed in. What is it?
Oh, is that the license plate light? No.
What is it?
I don't know.
What year?
74.
74 what? 74 2 motor?
47.
Close.
Oh, wow. There you go.
Tombstone. Early. Original. Not chrome here. This is not chrome. I don't know how they chromed this and not this. Genuine Harley. Guide.
Made in USA.
Maybe use your lights off. That's why it's dark. So how have they chromed this but not this? That doesn't make sense. This had to be re-riveted. There's the only way you could do it. So this has guide running across right here. So this is genuine. So this is genuine also. As far as I know, Harley never had a chrome light they made from the factory, but maybe
Yeah, but where do you find the
what?
the colored lens?
The lens? You want anybody to spend $80?
Oh.
Buy a reproduction one that says Harley on it. So this has a socket in there. It's got the original rubber plug in there. It's got the original glass lens on
What's
top.
it for? A Road King or something?
Ooh, I don't think that is glass. That's got to be glass. It just sounds plastic. Yeah, holding it. It's rattling in here. The gasket's gone. What was the question? What'd you ask?
Oh, what bike does it go on?
Harley.
No, like a Road King or a Dresser? Or...
No, this is 40s.
Sporty?
40s.
Oh, 40, okay.
This is 47 through 54. And being this one, this up here, it's a later version, so it's going to be a late 49 or 50 and up. Because the early ones have screws and the holes are wider spaced. I don't know what year they put the guide on the back, H4, like this one is, R4, R4. So this here comes off. If it's genuine Harley, see the writing in here?
Yep.
That's genuine Harley. That's a $100 item right there. Just that piece, $100. And this one's still straight, it's not all bent up. Usually they're all bent from the over-torquing the screws. So this is a good one.
So
and it's chrome. Now this chrome here, this chrome can be cleaned up and look fairly good. It's got a little crack right here, which ain't hardly nothing. But that's, yeah, that's a $100 part right there. So the only thing that's missing is a glass lens. I put a glass lens on that, and that's a clean up the chrome a little bit. Probably a $700 light.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what they go for. A lot of times they're over $1,000.
Don't lose it.
A lot of times they're over $1,000 for these things, but it's chrome. If it was painted, it'd be worth more. It looks like the thread is not broken. They got good thread on it. They got a stud here. There should have been another stud on that one. The rubber looks nice. It's got modern wires in it, so I know it's been redone. So they've redone the socketing in here. See how the socket's all bent up? It's probably... I'm not sure why they bent that all up like that. It takes a late bulb because see how it's stepped?
Yes.
The early bulbs were straight across. So this is a later socket. but that might be 47, might be a late socket. I'm used to dealing with beehive stuff, which is older. It had different sockets. So this is probably correct. I don't know why that's all bent out like that. There's no reason for that to be like that. So, but yeah, it looks like a nice unit. Like I said, this will polish it up. I'm not a big fan of chrome, but you know, if there's some steel wool in there someplace, you just buff on a little bit, it'll look pretty good. Not my style. Now this here, I'll take this and steel it and put on a real light. Except it's chrome too, which I don't like. So. This has straight slot screws in it, which is original. Didn't have no Phillips stuff back then. It's all straight slot. So someone just took the lens out of here basically, and that's it. Put a lens on this thing, and you'd have a, you know, easily a $500 light. I'll guarantee I didn't pay that for it.
Yeah, I can tell.
Because I don't pay that kind of money for the light, especially chrome ones. But yeah, see, it looks like a reproduction part, but it's not. So, you gotta know what you're looking at when you're buying parts. This thing here is probably, knowing me, probably about $100.50 max, if even that. Probably 125 is what I would have bid on it. I don't know what I got it for. And you figure there's always going to be 25, 30 bucks on shipping and anything you get from eBay. So you're going to have 150 to 175 into this. Spend another 100 bucks to get a lens here with shipping. You got 250 into it. It's easily a $500 part. 50% markup ain't bad, huh? So you make money on having old junk parts. Or you let it sit around for another 20 years and be worth even more. That's my idea. I do that. Alright, that's it for that one.